Today on How Hugh, we're going to continue working on the Harbor Freight camper and the teardrop, and working on mounting and manufacturing some brackets for the taillights. So let's get to work. So I've got my little piece of bed rug put down on the ground. Let's see, there we go, there's the note. Okay, so it says the green and the brown go on the passenger side, and the yellow and the brown go on the driver's side. Okay, so we're going to start weaving these wires through to where we want to get them to go. Okay, this trailer has a couple little extra supports on it, so I think I'll probably just tuck that wire up and just follow that support all the way back. Okay, for this I just snake the wire through from the front, and I brought it a little further back because I think I want to put my light right here. I want to use these two holes to mount it so that it's further in the back so it can be seen better. Okay, there's our extra wire. Thought it was going to be a whole lot longer. So for something longer than an 8-foot trailer, you're going to need a different harness. This one just barely fit, but I guess that neck is long. Mounting these here to those two holes, go the other one. This is for the other side. So I need a 4-inch by 4-inch bracket with holes spaced 2.5 inches and some other holes spaced 2 inches. So let's go see if I have some metal to make a couple brackets out of. Hopefully I do, or I have to go buy some. I have some flat bar, probably got it at Home Depot or Lowe's. That should make brackets that are strong enough to hold those lightweight little lights. Okay, 8 1/4, 16 1/2. Cuts. See how the sound does. Okay, so this is the light I want to mount. There's going to be 2 of them. So we're going to mark some holes, 2 inches on center, and we'll drill those holes first. What, like 1/2 inch out. So that can work. And they do, those fit. Okay, so I marked them where I want to bend at. So that's where we'll bend it at. Okay, now a lot of people do, they just go ahead and they just bend the whole thing right here. I found that that's not the best way to do it, so let me show you what I do. Bend it part way, and then I lift it just a tiny bit. Seem to get less stress fractures when I do that, especially on aluminum. Get that close to 90. Pretty darn close to 90. I need a new sander too, so if I'm on my, if you're taking the Christmas list thing, Dad needs a sander, Grandpa needs a sander. I don't need it with the belt on it. Just want the one big 10-inch one, like Central Pneumatic. They have them at Harbor Freight, they have them at Home Depot, they have them at Lowe's. They have them all over the place. Has one big disc, like a 10-inch disc. 10 or a 12 would be fine, but a 10's fine. I don't need the belt. Christmas. Something like that. Hold the lights. While the brackets are drying and I'm doing some other things, I'll do a little bit of touch up with black paint where the edges are extra ugly. These are crappy gloves. Won't get these ones again. Get the blue ones. Don't get the, or the orange ones. Those are good. Don't get the white clear ones. these back. Give it a little twist. Left flasher's working. Left turn signal's working. Right turn signal's working. I tested the lights, they all work. So now I'm going to trim them back a little bit and stuff them up underneath. And that'll be a little bit more. You know, if I want to do them exactly like the other one, let me measure it off of the other one. It should be the same. So you just pull off a small amount. You know, a little bit more than a 1/4 inch. Do the other side. I'll have to trim them down just a tiny bit because they were a little bit long. Boy, my old cutters are getting dull. Time for a new pair of strippers. So I'm just use these kind of crimp-on splices. Just stick it in. Get your trusty crimp pliers. Give it a squish. Give it a little tug. Make sure it's okay. Far back to check. Okay, so I'll start out with just a little bit of tape on these guys so that they don't move away from each other much. Okay, and I've got some of this wire loom I'm going to put for as far as it'll go, which will be about this. Just kind of keeps everything up and out of the way. Okay. And let me show you. While I have this hooked up, I'm going to go ahead and move that that trailer wheel up about a foot or so. Yeah, 10 inches. We'll see. So I'm going to move that forward. Let me get some wrenches. Okay, I moved the jack up a little higher. So we're going to go to the next step. So you'll have to stay tuned to see what cool thing I'm doing next. But anyways, there's the trailer, you know, or the camper. That's not terrible already.